Here are the requirements to sell a medical device in Canada. So, number one, you need to obtain a medical device license. Class 1 devices are not registered with Health Canada. However, Class 2, 3, and 4 are. That's number one. Now, Class 2 and up devices do require the manufacturer to have MDSAP. That stands for Medical Device Single Audit Program. Now, the manufacturer first obtains that medical device license, and then if you are a brand that wants to piggyback off their license, you can get a private label medical device license after they've obtained their license. So again, recap: medical device license, class 2, 3, and 4. The manufacturer of that device needs to have MDSAP, and they obtain the license first. The manufacturer, you as a brand, can obtain a private label license. Now, when you are selling, if you're selling your medical device to a reseller, that's called distribution, you need to obtain a distribution medical device establishment license. If you are, and that MDEL, MDEL, medical device establishment license, can be had by a domestic company, so that's a company in Canada, or it can be a company anywhere in the world. Secondly, if you are bringing the medical device into Canada, you need an import license. So there's multiple pieces, and of course the last piece is your label needs to be compliant too with the medical device label regulations, and that goes hand in hand with the medical device license itself if it's a class 2 and above. So it's a number of things to consider when you enter the Canadian market with a medical device. The hardest piece really is that MDSAP. A lot of companies don't have this. A lot of companies do have ISO 13485, but not MDSAP. Now, MDSAP is adopted by several countries around the world: Canada, United States, Brazil, Japan, and Australia. Each country has their own requirements. Canada seems to be one of the most stringent, where MDSAP must be in place. Now, how long does the MDSAP actually take to obtain? It can range from 6 to 9 months. There are a number of certifiers around the world that offer MDSAP certification, and of course Health Canada would be looking for that certification number, confirm it with the certifier as part of your application. So do reach out to us. We can help you with all your medical device licensing needs, including MDEL. Also, our sister company, Quality Import Solutions, holds a medical device establishment license to import medical devices into Canada. Again, reach out to us, Quality Smart Solutions. We're here to serve your compliance needs.